kind of folds in and out there. So it's it would be all young Sugarman, where is it? Bell or something like that. So that's where you'd unregister right there. So at suspicious spots, yeah, you know what? You know, an intersection right here where people are gonna funnel, and you can also see the garbage can system. Absolutely. It even says player 1. And there's very few leaves because, you know, it's pretty much early September. So that could be like Jack the Ripper. That's you see red around, usually around then. So this one would be Trinity Well, and then Home Hardware Johnson. Find the devil who's hiding in plain sight. Hero. Clean. So Cook is clean. Hero certified. So that tree's dead by top cuts, and it could be a system store, you know, because after seeing the Home Hardware with top cuts, that could mean a reduction of certain male anatomy. So this one would be Jester, Craft, House, Young. So the verdict is on. So this would be Clear, Young, Royal. And this is all hidden in plain sight. So BMO is like almost like an operating system. So somebody could be drug art, and they would be clean of any felonies. And this brand of beer used to be really motivating. Steam whistle is like a false alarm. That's Heath Street right there. And Popeyes, I'd noticed that my eyes would dilate. It almost as if somebody put a flashlight in my pupil. So Heath Street's a big con, so there's where you'd unregister. So you can see this tree's dying. And that was a 4-point express. That's how they would sell it, especially if you smoke marijuana, it'd be a green con. And this tree right here is dying there, and since it is a matrix system, this is pretty much where some people end up with the 4-point express. And it is pretty sketchily that they could sell emergency services like this. So once again, this is where people would end up with the 4-point express. You can see right there's kind of all dead, and it covers the entrance. And there's a tree that's dead right behind here. So I know there's going to be certain markers, particularly ones that, you know, might be related to Cook or Meyer. And that would further prove that I am the exiled king and I do have a claim to the throne.